Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited. You guys know I am a tray fanatic, so please come check out which tray I purchased this time, what color, what style, what company. See you in a minute. You know what this color means? I love that Archer's Arts is my favorite drill tray company, although JH envisions, sneaking its way up, but Archer, you still have a special place in my heart, and you use my favorite color for your packaging, so you are the bomb.com. So we are going to dig in and see what I purchased. I am in love with their colors of the month. I have a whole bunch, and as a birthday gift, thank you, Jennifer. She purchased a red one for me, which I had not received yet. So they came out with 2 colors this past month. They've been working on it. Go check them out. Once the colors are done, because of the plastic that they use for the 3D printing, it's pretty much done. They do have standard colors though that they keep. This is their hot pink, and I'm telling you, it is hot pink. It is like glow in the dark pink. It doesn't really glow in the dark. Don't want to false advertise, but like this is fuchsia pink and this is hot pink. It's crazy how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to show it. Let me see if I can do white in the background. Yeah, it still comes across a little orange, but it is beautiful. And I'm usually not a pink gal, but I had to have this one. Of course, I love the lids. At the time that I ordered this, they only had 1 lid left for the minis. So next time I purchase, I will have to order another lid for my coral. So this is a coral color. It's not quite orange. I know it's coming off orange on the camera. I'm trying to show you a difference in color. So let's see here. This is like an orange, and then this is coral. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. It's all looking orange to me. But it is a beautiful, it's orange with a pink tone. It has a coral feel to it. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to use it. My collection, let me grab, is getting super intense. You guys got to see this. Okay, this is my collection so far of the Archer's Arts trays. I've got this pink one, got the aqua one, I've got the aqua pearl, I've got the green, I've got the purple, this is the red one. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I have a white one, and then I have this navy jean color one, and now I have these 2. And then I have these bigger ones, but I don't use these as often because the sides are a little higher. Now that I found the minis, they're a little bit too tall for me. But I also have the copper, which I'd love to get a mini in this, Jen, if you ever get it back. And I have this beautiful like apple gold red. So as you can see, I am a tray addict. I absolutely love them. Thank you so much, Jennifer, and your husband. I know you're going through a difficult time right now with your family, but you are in our prayers, and you have a great product, and I wish you an amazing, this weekend and amazing future this fall. So until next time, everyone, be blessed, take care, and I'm going to go diamond paint using my new pen, which I showed in a previous video, and my new trays. So love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.